Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2001 Toyota Prius. We're going to be removing and reinstalling the cabin air filter. The process on this should be the same, if not very similar to the 2000 to 2003 year Toyota Priuses. The cabin air filter is a maintenance procedure that is very commonly overlooked and can adversely affect the efficiency of the heating and air conditioning system. Your cabin air filter is located behind your glove box. On this vehicle, you need to remove the glove box assembly door stops. What you need to do is turn your stops in a clockwise motion, and then pull the stop out. You can see there's an ear on both sides of the stop. There should be one on both sides. This vehicle is missing the one on the left, but it'll be the same. Turn it clockwise to remove it, counterclockwise to reinstall. Let the glove box dangle. Under the glove box, you will find the cabin air filter door. If you need a cabin air filter, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase one. On both sides of the door, you have ears. Push those ears inward and pull towards you to remove the assembly. You can see this cabin air filter has probably never been replaced. I could assume the worst, right? I personally replace mine 3 times a year. I'm going to replace mine every January, around June, and then September-ish, around there. I usually get a better cabin air filter too that removes more pollen and dirt from the air. When reinstalling this cabin air filter, you'll see that you have ears on the cage or the assembly. Your cabin air filter should fit under there, and it holds it in place. While I'm getting this one set in there, right? Why are there sidewalks beside streets? So Ford owners have a safe place to walk home. Get it? Because there's breakdown. All right, now that you have this cabin air filter properly installed in the cage or housing, slide it into place into the HVAC system. You can see on this door it says up, real easy. It should slide into place, just click on in there. To install the glove box assembly stops, insert the stops into the hole on your glove box. You need to have the glove box about halfway into the dash to install the stops. Just put them in there and turn them counterclockwise to lock them in place. You should have one on both the left and right side. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next hopefully helpful video.